Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. I'm here in Houston in our showroom. Today I want to talk to you about energy-saving window myths. Let's go through the list. Number one, people say, double pane is double pane. I got double pane windows. Mine must be as good as yours. Well, let's check that out. I've got two different examples here of double pane glass. This double pane glass has what you probably get if you're getting a cheap window, and you can see here that the infrared heat is 61%. In other words, 61% of the infrared heat is coming through this window. Okay, look at this one. Compare those two. What? Does that say 1%? Yes, 1%. Now, they're both double pane, but they're both not the same. Myth number two is that my window has an Energy Star label on it. It must be a good window. Well, just because it has a label on it doesn't mean that it's the best window for you. You should be comparing things on that label like solar heat gain coefficient, U factor, variable transmission, visible light transmission, condensation rating. In fact, here's a great video I made about how to read your NFRC window sticker. I think it's going to be enlightening. Vinyl windows are the most efficient. Well, vinyl windows are very efficient. Why? Because they have low conductivity. But vinyl windows may not be the most efficient for your climate. In fact, I found that composite windows, like fiberglass windows, tend to have better ratings than vinyl windows when it comes to conductivity and energy efficiency. People say all the time, I'm going to see an instant saving on my light bill. Right away, I'm going to save 50% of my light bill. Studies show that while energy efficient windows do improve your efficiency on your home, they don't necessarily can be judged all in one bundle. You can't just say, I'm going to save 50% of my light bill. Depends on how cold you run the air conditioner, depends on how little you run the air conditioner, depends on how efficient your air conditioner is. So don't fall for promises from salespeople that you're going to save 50% on your light bill. That can vary from condition to condition, from home to home, and from user to user. So don't be a little confused by that. Oh, if I get new windows, they're going to perform just like it says on the sticker. Well, we talked about the sticker earlier. You know that sticker was tested under ideal conditions? It was tested when the window was absolutely brand new. The manufacturer knows that their window that they're going to test is sent to the testing laboratory. Don't you think you're going to take a really close look at it to make sure it's in good shape? What you want to know is, how's my window going to perform in 5 years? Well, that's where a good window is different than a great window, because a good window, after it sits in the sun for many years and is putting up with these elements for many years, it tends to sag, it tends to get a little looser, the tolerances kind of fade. Maybe your house shifts and it moves around a little bit. That's why I like a high quality, ultra premium window that's built for the long haul. Remember this, all windows look good on day one. Check them out on year 5. Check them out on year 25. That's where you can see the difference between a good window and a great window. And then lastly, here's the myth. If I put a window in that has a good rating, I'm going to have a good window. Not true at all. You've heard me talk about it all the time. There's 3 key components to a great window install. The kind where you're just smiling at the end. One is the glass that you pick. Number 2 is the frame material that you pick. And then the most important is the installer that you pick to install your window. You could have a great window that's poorly installed, and you'll have a poor performing window. Don't fall for that. Hey, if you're looking for a great window company, I'm here to help. But if I'm not in your area or you're not in my area, you should check out my website, jeffslist.com. I have a great long list of wonderful window companies like myself all over the country. I probably know someone near you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you again real soon.